Villa Karga is contemporary style, incorporating a mixture of stone and concrete with light surfaces, large windows and sliding doors, steel and wooden floors. High-quality materials, aesthetic interior design, distinctively furnished with luxury in mind. Entering this villa you will experience the breathtaking view overlooking the pool area, the village, the white mountains and the blue sea. Sliding doors leads you out to a spacious terrace where you can enjoy the beautiful sunset in the evenings. On the ground floor, it is a large living area with fireplace and an open and spacious kitchen, fully equipped with modern appliances and a large dining table with ample room for 8 persons. There are 2 bedrooms on the first floor and 2 bedrooms on the ground floor. All the bedrooms have its own ensuite bathrooms with bathtub and a furnished veranda or terrace. Spacious wardrobes, safe box, dressing table and satellite TV in all bedrooms. The tiled pool area with sunbeds, umbrella and sitting areas where you can enjoy the view and swim in your private pool, is perfectly incorporated with the house. In the basement, you will find a well-equipped gym and anopther big bathroom with hamam. A private little wellness center perfect for recreation. Thank you for watching our villa. For more information please visit our website, uniquevillas.gr. Feeling connected.